Hi guys, good evening, and it's Vincent David in your faces again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, welcome. It's been a roller coaster this past few months and time. So I'll be bringing a whole lot of videos to your faces. Okay, but so in this video, which is going to be our first of about 7 video series, we're going to be doing how to get to and remain a 7-figure affiliate marketer. Okay, because this video came much in demand. As you should know, I run a virtual school. I like to call it one of the fastest growing virtual schools around my country. Yeah, anything you call something is what it is, but it is what it is actually. So it's called NIM School. NIM School means New Internet Marketing School. So I run that right by full time, not even by the side. So I get a lot of questions from students. Hello, sir. I'm doing affiliate marketing. I do want to make my first sale. I want to make a big deal in affiliate marketing thing. What do I do? How do I do it and all that stuff? So when I get a whole lot of stuff like that, so okay, this is what to do, this is what not to do. So all that advice I drop, all those things I used to do. So I have brought them into this whole video series. Okay, so how to get to and remain a 7 figures affiliate marketer. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick, maybe seemingly short, but very concise video. Very concise video. Okay, right. So let's get to it. So what's affiliate marketing? Let me start by defining affiliate marketing. I know you know what it is, but let me define it. Affiliate marketing in simple terms, simply means that you've got a product. Sorry, you don't have a product, someone else has got a product, and the person wants to market that product, okay, to a broader audience, and you have or you don't even have that broader audience. So you pick up somebody's product and you market that product for the person and get a commission based on the agreement between you and that person. So the agreement may be that if you market this product, you get 50%, or you get 40%, or you get 60%, or 60-40, 50-50, 40-60, like so. So the agreement of what or you make with that person would mean the commission you will earn. So per product head, there's a commission on it. That's what affiliate marketing is. So it doesn't simply it doesn't necessarily have to be physical product. Sorry, digital product too. It can be physical product. You can affiliate for physical product. You can affiliate for services. You can affiliate for a whole lot of products in the market. So that's what affiliate marketing simply means. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits of affiliate marketing, which is it saves you time from creating your own product. It saves you time from doing product development, coming up with strategies, except from the sales strategies you will come up with. It saves you the thinking game of thinking of a problem in the market and how to solve it. So it costs less to start. Okay, it costs less of money, less of energy, less of time, less of commitment, less of everything that there is to build something from the scratch. And like you should know, building from the scratch and leveraging on what someone else has built, they are totally different things. Okay, so if you're building from the scratch, it's totally different than when you are leveraging on what someone else has built. So affiliate marketing is you're leveraging on what someone else has built, capitalizing on that leverage and making profit off that leverage. That's what affiliate marketing is. So in case you hear affiliate marketing somewhere else next time, that's what it simply means. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get to first and remain a 7-figure affiliate marketer. Yeah, so it's very easy, and I hope this will help you solve or help you get a lot of knowledge. So let's go. Okay, so the first one is see it as a business. You see, what happens to us in this part of the world is we want to do what I call hit and run. Like, we don't want commitment. We don't want focus. Sorry. Sorry about that. So want to do hit and run. Want to pick up something, milk it, and run away from it. Then go to the next one happening. See, when something wants to grow, it takes time and dedication. That is why if you want to do anything and focus your time on it, you will really see it grow. Like if you're putting the required amount of time and energy, you really see it grow. So when there is no time, when there's no dedication to a cause, it doesn't grow. So you must see it as a business. So I told my friends some days ago that when Espania started out many years ago, we're the first persons to get on the platform. Now I'm going to be using Espania because in Nigeria currently, Espania is the most trendy affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so when this started from many years ago, we're first to get into it. And we juggled around the, I don't know how many of you watching the video were around then. But the course we juggled around was the relocate to Canada course. So we were juggling and juggling out. We didn't see it as a business. So we had a hit and run mindset, and we messed up the whole thing. Today we are not selling. Well, of course, we do other things for money. We do other things for money, and God is helping us by the side. So we don't really do expect me again. So today we don't. So we've gone from that to building our own various platforms and affiliating our own various platforms. So you must see this as a business. It's first a business before any other thing. So you must first see it as a business. Okay, so and if you see that as a business, you must give it a businessman's approach. There's a businessman's approach to everything. Okay, a businessman knows that for him to get turnover, he needs time, he needs patience. He needs time and patience to get turnover. He knows that turnover, you don't jump in on turnovers, or turnovers don't jump in on you, or you don't just start making turnovers just all of a sudden. No. So you must see it firstly as a business. Okay. Second one is to build a list. Now, I know some of us that didn't affiliate marketing in this part of the world, I will not understand that you are hunger motivated. When I mean hunger motivated, I mean you are literally looking for what to do to put life together. Like you're not comfortable. For if you're comfortable, you won't be doing affiliate marketing. In quotes, please quote me. Sorry, don't quote me. You understand? So, like, you are hunger motivated. You're trying to put life together. You're going from being broke, or you're trying to get things to do for yourself and all that. So you must understand that even in as much as you're hunger motivated, right? You need to count on the little and think long term. Ask yourself a question: do you want to make 5 million today? I don't be able to make 5 million in the next 2 years. All right, so a list will always be your salvation, because buyers will always be buyers. If you get a list of people that buy things from you, stuff from you, they'll always come back buying. Do you understand? So I tell people most times that when you set the antecedents right, the things that make for your daily bread are sorted out. The next thing to do is to build. Yeah, because first of all, the things that get us out there to hustle and put in the work is a hunt for daily bread. If that hunt for daily bread is satisfied, the next thing to do is to build. Next thing to do is to really, 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 really build. So you must be committed to building. You must be committed to building something. So once you start that daily bread, you're not hungry again. Then what are you looking for? Build. And it's not like building won't bring daily bread. Building will not bring daily bread like direct traffic. You're sending direct traffic to a page and they're just bouncing in and bouncing out. It won't bring daily bread like that. But come on. Builders are builders, buyers are buyers. Okay, the next thing to do is to build a list. And when I mean build a list, I mean build a structure that collects the contact details of people that interface with your offers. Okay, that come in contact with your offer. So when people come in contact with your offers, I'm not teaching email marketing in this video, and I'm not teaching list building, but let me touch on it a little bit. So you building a list means that you get in on an ESP. ESP means email service provider. You have, I think back then till now, we have Get Response, Aweber, MailChimp is the free one. I don't recommend that. So you can get on that. Now get a squeeze page, you landing, but just put land and see your offers, then they give you their mails. Now some of them, even if they give you their mails, they'll buy from you. So it's like you want someone to kill two birds. From that landing page where you make an offer to them, they give you their mails, they buy from, like they give you their mails, and they proceed to your sales page. After that, they've bought from you and you see their contact details. Because you're selling now, you're being an affiliate for now, doesn't mean you will keep being an affiliate for that course for a long time. You will still have other courses to promote. So if you have other courses to promote, why not? So push it out there. Okay, so that's it for building a list. Next one is having products in your quiver. Now, when you build a list, understand that human problems are different. Someone who needs 72 hours income generator, which is 72 IG, may need a betting course from expecting tomorrow, or may need an e-commerce course. Because people will always have problems, and you should have solutions. It's the truth. People will always have problems, and you should have solutions. If you have solutions for people's problems, how do you want to be in business? So, because you have more products, you have more products to sell. Oh, sorry, because you want to be in business, you should have more products in your quiver. Quiver, you should know what a quiver is. So, so you should have more products at your disposal that you promote to these people. So I hope we are all learning something from this video. Okay, the fourth one is think long term. First one is to think long term. Now, this is what we're doing at NIM School. At NIM School, we're about building sustainable growth. It may be slow, but there's progress. You understand? So a lot of people the people watching this video, they heard about Espana 2 years ago or last year or maybe even this year. But Espana, we heard about Espana about some 6-7 years ago. Do you get it? So because you were because Tony, like the founder of Espana, was particular about building. He dedicated time. He's not about hit and run, or he's not particular about like let's cash out now. He's particular about building long term. So you must think long term. Think long term. Like think long term. Let your mind go that okay, and I want to be doing this thing in 3 or 4 years time. So let me build. So building is the language of the real wealth creators. If you understand this, you will know that building is our real wealth creators. Real wealth creators build. They don't just scavenge around the whole of things. They build. So you must understand the language of building. Okay, so the next one is understand the market. That's the next. So you must really understand the market. You must understand the market. The reason now this is the reason for the first point. The people purchasing our latest course on NIM School, Digital Product Anatomy. Some of them are students from e-commerce 101 that we launched 3 months ago. So we looked deep into the market and we understood that people have a problem of selling digital products. Same way they have a problem of selling physical products. E-commerce 101 in NIM School dealt with selling physical products. DPA, which is Digital Product Anatomy, is dealing with selling digital products. So you understand. So you must understand the market and understand that people need this product part time. People need that product part time. So if you understand the market, you'll be able to sell to them over and over again. This is why a list is important. All right. This is why you should understand first that this is first a business, and in business there are diverse seasons for diverse products. You understand? So these 5 tips will help you get to and remain a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I hope this video has helped. If it hasn't helped, you could drop a comment for me, a remark for me in the comment box. Drop your questions. I would see them and I'll answer them. Thank you for watching these videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Watch out for my next videos. Thank you.